Hello, Samudaya TV viewers. Samsid Group of Schools, Samsid International School, HSR branch conducted Khelo Samsid Tournament 2024. Here we, Samudaya TV, present you a complete news report on Samsid International School, HSR Layout Branch, Khelo Samsid 2024 Tournament.
Happy evening. I am Prasila Vimal, Principal of Samsid International School, HSR. So every year we conduct Khelo Samsid, which is an inter-school football and volleyball competition. So this year we had a wonderful response from 12 schools wherein the children came for 2 days and we enjoyed having the football tournament and the volleyball. So they say sports brings people together, and it was wonderful to see the participants from across Bangalore coming here and participating, and it was a wonderful experience to host this event. We could see tears of happiness and joy, and of course sadness when they lost the match. But however, sports teaches us that everything is a learning, and it is teamwork, it is a lot of effort and a lot of skills through sports which they learn.
Into the student's career.
See, sports is very much required. It is not only that academics, knowledge children get from across, with the technology part coming in, knowledge is everywhere, but it is the day-to-day skills that, we have to hone our children into. So we develop, we give a lot of opportunities, create a lot of platforms for the children to hone their skills, and sports is definitely one of them, because children enjoy playing sports, and through sports they develop a lot of skills, leadership skills, or the skills of teamwork, even the compassion towards their teammates. They learn that it's through mistakes that they can grow and succeed. So that is a very important lesson which is very, very much needed in their future ahead. Thank
On
you.
behalf of the parents as well as the viewers of Samudaya TV, Samudaya wishes you all the very best and wish you to conduct more and more events such like this.
Definitely, this is an yearly event, and we look forward to many more platforms to be given to the children.
Myself Manigandan, head coach of Samsid International School HSR branch. We have organized Khelo Samsid for the second edition in 2024-25. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 schools from across Bangalore to participate in this tournament. We have organized 12 From this year, we have organized football and volleyball. In that, we have been organizing for different categories. So far, almost 15 teams of different schools have taken part, and in volleyball, almost 12 teams has taken part in this team event. And
As a physical trainer,
sports teach you first discipline. So sports is important as per education system. I really appreciate our school is giving more support to us to develop sports in our schools, and we've been going for other tournaments outside also. In that way, we are giving exposure to our students, and they are learning more in as per sport. So I thank all the head Vasa sir and Madhavi ma'am, our CEO Hindu ma'am, and our principal ma'am, Vice Priscilla Vimal ma'am, and I thank all the others, teachers and my coaches especially. They were the backbone for me, and we successfully completed this Kelo Samsid 24-25.
first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. So myself, Ritubaran from grade 11 Samsid, and it was a very challenging match, and there were many crucial times, and I think the whole team performed very well, and I would like to give many credits to Karthik sir and all the PE coaches, and it was a very successful event in overall. Samsid is very supportive in that situation, as we get a lot of time to play and even practice with Karthik sir. So, and Karthik sir gives us a very good coaching in overall. So I would like to thank him for that.
Myself, Anjali Gopinath, and I am the team captain of U15. I'm feeling very proud of my team because we were able to win the match with a lot of luck and practice. And I'm very thankful to Vaishnavi ma'am and Karthik sir for helping us win these trophies which we have received right now.
What is the trophy you won today?
We won gold medal for U15 girls. Although we only played one match, which was the direct finals, we were still able to get the trophy.
You won the trophy for the football, right?
Yes.
So being a girl, football is going to be very challenging, right? How will you manage it?
To be honest, our school does not discriminate between girls and boys in sports. So I believe that both boys and girls had equal opportunities in both football, volleyball and all other sports.
Samsid is supporting you, especially womanhood, for the sake of sports.
So during our PT times, the coaches, they encourage the girls to play along with boys, and during the practice hours, sometimes we have combined practice between the boys and girls. We are also going for matches outside our school, and whenever we win, we get more congratulations and appreciations more than the boys. So I believe that girls are also having equal opportunities in our school.
Samudaya team wishes you all the very best for the future.
Thank you.